Ka Jingklumar ka balami ha perang ginong kersan ka TMC bat NPP ha Phulbari ka bala Jah kini ki khendiat sngi ki pulet jang ka West Garo Hills ki layok ban kiam hadu life way ngut ki briu. Habaya kran bot ba Frederick Kyrwoh ubreu Chief Electoral Officer ulapan tip banap dang kini ki life way ngut ki bala Shakam khat ngut ki de ginong kersan ka TMC bat khat san ngut ki de ki ban ka NPP.
So how many TMC workers and how many NPP workers were arrested?
As per the police report, out of the 31, 15 NPP and 16 TMC.
Hakwai pat kalyang uba Frederick ulapan tip bagi bor pahara kila yo ruban kurup ya ke pisa ke bakot hadu sanfoi point ar nyo klur tingka bakan thop nriu klur da ke pisa bat ar fly klur da drug lambat kiwe.
Seizures up to the 9th of February. The seizure was about 51.27 crores, of which 6 crores was cash and about 23 crores plus was for drugs and narcotics, and the other categories of course are divided. So total cumulative seizure was about 51.27 crores.
So which are the areas where it is very vulnerable?
Yeah, the entry points of the state, one from Umyam, which is entering into our state, and then another point is at the Umkyang area, which is the entry points. Then within the urban area, and then also some pockets of Kyrwoh Hill, some pockets of Khasi Jayanti Hill.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
Five commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
The mismanagement of prominent tourist hubs, along with the lack of connectivity, are badly hurting Meghalaya's tourism industry. Is this the future we want for Meghalaya? It's time to speak up about the issues plaguing Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi Ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 836 000 6060. This 27 February, together, let's empower Meghalaya.